Hello? Welcome to my room. Hi everyone, it's Kelly. Today I'm showing you my room tour because I kind of changed my room a little bit and it looks pretty different, so I wanted to show you guys how I changed it because I got a lot of requests on my last video to do it and I was like, you know what, yeah, I'll just film it. Here's my door. It's a pretty basic door, nothing too special. We have this sign that says good vibes. I got it 2 years ago, like today I'm pretty sure. It was in my Snapchat flashback from 2 years ago. So, hey, I put it here for a reason. It doesn't impact my day, even though I want it to. It's supposed to like exude good vibes and I like walk out, but it honestly does the opposite. So we're trying to fix that. It's just not working. And then we have this. I'm gonna try to pronounce it. It's gonna be wrong. It's my little Vihal Yavin Konkin, and it carries my laptop when I need to. It's a good bag. I recommend. I actually have two and I love them. Okay, yeah, that's my door. Here we have my mirror. Oh, hi. Hey. So my mirror was over there, but we changed her real fast because there was no room for this dresser, which we'll get to. This is my hamper. I don't have any clothes in it because it's all in the washing machine right now, and I just remembered that I need to take it out soon, so I need to do that. But, it's fine. So this is my dresser. This is the newest part. She is big, but we love it. So let's get into the details. So here we have a little fake plant. I don't love the way it looks, if we're being honest. It's like so old. And then I have this thing. It's a little cactus and it has some rings and it has this little keychain that my friend's mom got me because she's also a Cancer, so we love her. Hey, Susan. And then I have these pins. I just have a little rose. Hi, Rose. And I don't know what to do with those pins, so like let me know. And then this candle, but it's like fake and you turn it on and it's like kind of cool, but like why is it all the way at the bottom? Like I'm a little confused, but it just like brings light to my room even though I don't need it, so it's just for the look, honestly. We stand marble. And then I have this gratitude jar that I made at this little thing I go to once a month on Sundays, and I just put some things that I'm thankful for. I haven't done it in about 4 months because I forgot, but you know, it's just some things I'm grateful for. So I also made it the same place I made this thing, and I wanted to write a fun little motivational message on the top. So I have, you got it, sis. And pretty much you just shake it and then you let it like calm itself, and like that's how long it should take you to like calm yourself. Like I don't know what it is, but it just looks cool. And I did gold to match my room aesthetic, you know what I mean? Okay. And then here's my TV. I want to put her on the wall, but my dad is procrastinating. I've been saying it for 5 years, put on the wall, and he just does it. My mom says it's too big for my room. I think it's fine. The only time I use it is when I'm going to bed because I need that like light to like make me go to bed, which is kind of bad. My mom said it's so bad for my eyes, I'm gonna be blind. It's the only way, sis. I got this little thing, I don't know what it's called, from Urban Outfitters, and it has some moons, the moon phases, I don't know. I like it, but this wall is so plain, I need to add some more stuff. So let me know what I should add, because I don't know. Here we have some more details. I have this fake plant, and I like this fake plant way more, no offense to the other one. This is from somewhere. Is it from Iceland? Keep in mind, I didn't go to Iceland. This is from my brother. Maybe it was Greenland? I think he gave this to me. I don't know where it's from. And then we have this little elephant. This was from my great aunt's house, and I just want to take it because it's a cute little elephant. And then I have this speaker. I don't use the speaker ever. My brother takes it and then puts it back in my room, and it's always in a new spot every time, so it happens to be here. But I should probably start using it more, but I'm too lazy to use my phone. Here we have my wallet. She has been with me through thick and thin. She's breaking on the side. One time she snapped off. We had to get it fixed. And I got this when I was like literally 11. I've used it all the time since and don't know what I'd do without her. I have my Polaroid camera. I had a pink one. I got it when I was 10 and it broke. It just stopped taking pictures, so I got a new one like pretty recently because I have my Polaroid wall, which we'll get to. She is weak. Keep in mind, the Polaroid wall is so weak. I have to take more pictures, but I don't have many fun events in my life to take pictures at, but we're getting there. Oh wait, I should probably say what's in each drawer.
Oh my god, yeah.
Okay, do it. So this is my, you know, we're gonna keep that closed. It's my undergarments. You don't need to see it. We have stuff that I wanted to hide, like water bottles and Olivia's phone and her keys and like my socks and sunglasses.
We stand them.
We do stand. I have some long sleeves. These are like the only long sleeves I have. I have no clothes. And then these are some sweatshirts. I have more in my closet, but these are just like the crew necks. And over here I have my short sleeves. I have a lot more than long sleeves because we stand. They're literally all the same. I can't help it, but we're just gonna deal with that. I have some pajamas here. Also don't have many. You don't need it. You don't need a lot. You just need your faves. That's how I feel. Here's another little backpack. She's a bright, fun color. Perfect for the summer. She's also a mini. The shoes at the bottom, maybe we're just gonna block that out. But the rack looks nice. It's usually thrown on, but it's organized. I have a lot of random things on here that need to be hung up. I have a bunch of birthday cards. I forgot that these were here. From my birthday because I don't like to throw birthday cards out, which it's not really, like I can throw them out, it's fine, but I just don't. And then I have a Milk and Vine book that I haven't opened since a year and a half ago. And then I have this little Buddha that I got a while ago, and I spray painted it gold to also match the room look. Fake plant with my memory card and my memory card reader. And this thing says made in Los Angeles, but I'm not made in Los Angeles. I've actually never even been there, so I can't, I'm just like a fake fan. It should say made in
the East Coast.
The East Coast, but it doesn't. I have a candle that I haven't burned since I was literally in 6th grade. I don't know why it's there. And then I have some tape for my Polaroids.
Oh, hi.
But like, why is it there? I don't know. And then I have another candle. And then I have this little mini real
God,
plant.
That's so cute. It's
But,
in
like,
a gem.
But I'm already killing it.
Oh, hi. Oh my God, I live.
And then this is my laptop. I love this laptop. I bring her everywhere with me. We love her. Here we have my 2 bulletin boards. Got some fun pictures, some stickers. Oh my God. Oh my God. Olivia's filming right now. And this is the first time we ever hung out. I was in 6th grade. She was in 7th grade. And we don't look like that anymore at all.
No.
And I can't. Oh my God. I forgot that was even there. I'm like, what? It's just there because it's funny. I don't love the picture, obviously, but it's just funny. I have some makeup brushes, but I use the same 2 every day. And I also have a picture underneath. This is me in 3rd grade. It was just a fun little beach party. This is a mess. I need a better way to like organize my stuff, but this is just stuff that I use like a lot. So this is my studio light thing. I use it when I do like sit down videos. And then I have my camera here, which is also when I do sit down videos, which isn't a lot. This I made pretty recently with my friends Rachel and Lauren, and we just printed out a bunch of like pink toned pictures that I found, and a lot of people sent me, so thank you if you sent me one. I just love the way it looks. I think it's so cool. This I made so long ago with Olivia. Hi Olivia.
Hi.
And yeah, I don't know why I don't even like that stuff anymore. And then here I have this huge necklace rack I got like in the past year, and it stores all of my pants. So let's do a little pant tour. We folded them nicely. Actually, my mom did it. I didn't. People like to sit on that when they come over. Olivia does. Olivia's a big fan. This is my little nightstand table. I have 2 remotes. The other one is probably in my bed somewhere, so I'm gonna need to find that later. I also have this book, and I haven't started it yet. I got it a week ago, and this is the reason why I have a book. I don't read. But a little fun fact about me, which you guys probably would never expect, is that I put my phone and computer in my mom's room at 10:05 p.m. every school night. But it makes me very bored because sometimes I'm not tired and I want to do something and there's nothing on TV ever. So I read. So I need to start that. But I've just been watching Good Luck Charlie because that's on demand because they took Hannah Montana off demand. So it's my only thing I can watch. So this is my bed. I have some fairy lights. These are also like 10 million years old. And I have this husband. I got this for Christmas. Don't know what I'd do without him. He's great. I have this painting that Olivia made. How did you make this?
You like put all different paint on and then turn it every way.
Okay, now onto my Polaroid wall, which I know she's weak. She'll get better, okay? We all have our strengths and weaknesses, and this is just a weakness of mine. And then I also have a moonlight that Dote sent to me, so thanks, Dote. I'm probably gonna do like another set of Polaroids once I have enough on that side too, and maybe below and above. And I think that's it. Is that it?
Queen.
That is it for my room tour. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's nothing special. We make do with the space that we have because my room is like pretty small compared to other people's rooms. I hope you guys enjoyed my room. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and VSCO. Oh, and Dote. I forgot about that. Thank you to Olivia for filming, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.